Hello my people, welcome back. Today we are making yam, vegetables and egg sauce. Something simple, warm and very delicious. So let's dive right in. As a mom of two, as a mom and a content creator, doing everything with zero help is just me, my kids and my husband holding things down every day. If you're a mom watching this, you already know the wahala, but we'll move. And guess what? Apart from my live videos, you hardly ever see my face. Like, if you join my live, you already know this face well. But in my normal video, never. So today I said, you know what? Let me show my face small as I make this yummy meal for my family. Come with me, let's cook, gist, and also show you exactly how I made everything. What you saw me chopping earlier was tomato first. I like chopping my tomatoes really big. As I'm making this meal, I'm also assisting my kids in doing their homework, but I didn't show that part. Motherhood is not easy. It's not for the weak, I'm telling you. So next, I chopped my green bell pepper, some onions, some scotch bonnet pepper, and some carrots. I usually grate my carrot because if my kids see them chop, they won't eat them. But this size will blend perfectly with the eggs, so they won't be able to pick them out. For this sauce, I'm using whatever vegetables I have at home. I also chopped some cabbage. Once everything was ready, I transferred it to a plate and just look at it. Everything is colorful, fresh and beautiful. Next, it's time to peel the yam. I peeled it, washed it and set it aside, nice and ready for cooking. If you know how many times I paused cooking to go and attend to my kids, like helping them to do their homework, take their baths and all that, you will not believe it. Now let's make the sauce. Into a clean pan, I added some vegetable oil and let it heat up for a few seconds. Then added the onions. I let it fry for just little and then my son started calling me for his homework. I stayed longer than I planned and oh my gosh, the onion almost got burnt. Thank God it didn't. After that, in went the chopped tomatoes followed by the scotch bonnet pepper. I let everything fry for about 10 minutes and then I added the cabbage and carrots. Now, here is my little trick. I added the veggies early because if I add them at the end, my kids will start picking them out. Mommy, what's this? Mommy, this one. So you know how it goes now. But if I cook them with the tomato and egg, they mix right in and my kids eat it without even noticing it. Genius, right? Yeah. Next, I added seasoning cubes, some curry powder and a little salt. I like keeping my sauce simple, nothing complicated. I covered it and let it fry for about 5 minutes. Then in went the whisked egg, stir a little, cover and let it cook for about 3 minutes. After that, I added the green bell pepper, covered it again for about 2 minutes, stirred, and that's it. Our yummy sauce is ready. Now let's finish it up. Into a boiling water, added the washed and peeled yam, then added some plantains because my kids love plantain. I added a little salt, no sugar. We don't do sugar here, and let it cook for about 45 minutes or cook till it's soft. After 45 minutes and voila, our yam is ready. Brought it down from the fire and serve my first because na me cook am, so na me go first chop am. As you can see, our plantain, yam and veggie egg sauce is ready, looking yummy. Look at me enjoying it. See the way I'm shaking my head. It's that good. You won't even notice the carrot, the cabbage, but all the nutrition is stayed there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this meal and seeing my face for the first time. If today is the first time you've seen me, please give this video a big thumbs up. Bye bye my people. See you in the next one.